Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss the topic how do birds fly. Birds fly with the help of wings. You all might have seen the wings of the birds, no children? See the picture? These are called as wings. Wings are otherwise called as forelimbs. And these wings has got special type of muscles which are called as flight muscles, and these muscles will help the bird to fly in the air. So how the bird will fly in the air, children? It will flap its wings. Flap its wings means it will move its wings up and down with the help of the flight muscles present on their body, and this helps them to fly in the air. And the direction of its flight. What is mean by direction of the flight? When the bird is flying upward, suddenly if it wants to come downward or go to the opposite direction, who is helping the bird to change the direction? What is helping the bird to change the direction? The tail is helping the bird to change its direction while flying. Next one is movement of wings. The wings will move in two directions. One is upstroke and another one is downstroke. See the movement of the wings in upstroke, children. The wings will move upside and towards the back side. During the downstroke movement, wings of the birds will move downward and forward. See the picture, children. Our next topic is flightless birds. The meaning of flightless: the birds which are not able to fly. Such birds are known as flightless birds. So these are some of the flightless birds. In the first picture you can see an ostrich which cannot fly, which will walk on the ground with the help of its leg. Second one, you can see a kiwi. It is also a flightless bird. And third one, penguin. It is also a flightless bird. And the hen is also a flightless bird. This topic is homes of birds. What is called home of birds, children? Nest is the place where the bird is safe. The bird lay eggs and the bird eggs hatches into young ones. That place is called as homes of birds or nest. So the first type of nest is cup-shaped nest. See the picture, children. It is almost having a structure of a cup, no? So these nests are called as cup-shaped nest. Examples of the birds which is having a cup-shaped nest are pigeons and crows. To build such cup-shaped nests, the birds are using different things. So in the first picture, can you see, children? They have used grasses and also feathers to build the cup-shaped nest. Second picture, can you see the cotton? Soft cotton has been used in the preparation of the nest. And third picture, can you see? That is called as twigs. TWIGS means small pieces of weightless sticks or small branches of trees and all. They will collect and they will build the nest. Mostly you can see these type of nest on the branches of the tree. For example, a crow will build its nest on the branches of the tree. A pigeon will build its nest on the ceilings, on the open ceiling of houses, buildings and all. The birds can lay their eggs very safely in these types of nest, and the chicks which hatches in this nest will be very safe. Next one is a stitched nest. See, like a tailor stitches the clothes, no? A bird called tailor bird stitches the leaves and make its own nest. In the picture you can see the tailor bird. It is having a sharp needle like beak which is helping it to stitch the leaves. For stitching the nest, it will use different materials like cotton. Cotton already we have seen in the first cup-shaped nest. Cotton, it will use the cotton and wool pieces. Wool, it will collect the wool pieces, and also it will collect the thread from the spider's web. Third type of nest is the woven nest. You all might have seen these kinds of nests, no children? The bird who built this nest is called as weaver's bird. See the picture? This is a weaver's bird, and it will collect palm leaves, banana leaves and grass and all, and build the nest. The bird will enter the nest through the bottom. At the lower side, one opening will be there. The bird will enter the nest through that hole. This is the hollow nest. Hollow nest means what? Empty nest. One hole will be made on the trunk. Trunk means what, children? The trees are having its the trunk. We have already studied when we study the parts of the plant in second lesson what is a trunk. Okay, so in the trunk of the tree, the bird will use its strong beak and make a hole in the trunk, and that is the nest for this bird. This hollow nest is the safest place for the woodpeckers young ones, which is otherwise called as fledglings. Okay, because inside this hollow nest it is very warm and comfortable. One is the platform nest. So if you see, the birds like eagle, vulture and all will be building their nest on the topmost part of the branch of the tree or on the rocks. Such nests are called as platform nest. The name of this platform nest is eyrie, E-Y-R-I-E. Materials which is used in the building of these type of nest are, first one is twigs. First one you can see twig, and second one is straw. Last type of nest is ground nest. So usually the bird penguin built ground nest. Okay, and many penguins will live together, and there will be like a colony. Okay, colony means living together in large number. And the materials used for building this kind of ground nest are stones and pebbles. Pebbles you can see in the second picture. So they will collect the from the dead bodies after decaying. The dead bodies of animals, the bones will be existing on the soil. That also they will collect and make the nest. Next one is parental care of young birds. That means how birds are caring its young ones. So when the nest is ready, a mother bird will lay eggs on the nest. The mother and the father bird will protect the eggs, and one of them will be sitting on the egg and one will be protecting the nest from the enemies. And after a period of time, the new young ones comes out from the egg. The egg will break open and the new young birds will come out of the egg. And this process is called as hatching. Father and mother bird will go and collect the food and provide it or feed the young ones and protect the young ones from the enemies. When the baby bird grows up, the parent bird will teach them to fly and how to gather, how to collect the food.